Hello! How exciting! First stream after getting our 50 followers. That's my happy face. Yay! Yay! My hair's a mess. Yay! Right. Very excited. I am very excited. Okay. Well, I reckon... Oh, look, this is so annoying. My hair's like all static and... That's rather annoying. Rather, isn't it?
One eternity later.
Right, should I might as well just load up the game then. Heavy Rain and hope that I remember all of the different controls. Because that's tricky. Heavy Rain. Hold both left and right clicks and move the mouse quickly in the indicated direction. Why? I don't remember why that one is.
Can't stop thinking about that well. Sean seemed exhausted. But at least he's alive. I'll do anything to get him out of there. I should go talk to the garage guy over there.
Over where? Oh, there. Hello.
Excuse me? Hey!
Oh! Ha! Sorry. Didn't see you.
Oh, he's got drowsy eyes, isn't he? I can't remember how to change my camera. Oh no, how do I change my... I can't remember. Ah! I'm just pressing all the keys. Hang on. Because I can't remember which... That's the one. Okay. Ah! It's control. Now, what did he say?
I've been here before. Don't remember it. Elevator at the back of the garage. 3rd floor. Got it.
Elevator at the back of the garage. Okay. Where's the back, though? Not there. Oof. There it is. I'm sorry. I'll get better. Nope, that's the wrong way. 2. Oh, no dear. Over here. My God, the camera angles are so annoying. Oh my goodness, tell me it's not this posh car. It only is. What is this? Is this a phone? Is it a sat-nav? I think it's a sat-nav. What's in this side? Nothing in there. Okay.
Your destination is 4 miles from here.
What? What? Oh, it's not gonna make me drive this, is it? Because it's not gonna end well. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine.
Take a left at the next intersection.
Where's it leading him?
To the right and take the first exit.
Oh, I see why it's called Heavy Rain now. It's non-stop.
You have reached your destination. Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son? Listen. Take the highway and drive against the traffic for 5 miles. If you haven't reached your destination in 5 minutes, you will have failed.
The fuck? As long as you don't make me drive it. Oh my days. I don't think I can... What? Wait, what? What's happening? I forgot it makes me do it.
I can do this, come on!
Oh! Shitting hell. I can't! No! W! No! I missed the W! Why are you making me drive the car?
You still have 3 miles to go before you reach your destination.
W. Shit. Oh. Oh my God. Master, thank you so much. You're my first subscriber. I'm sorry, I'm really concentrating on driving this car. Ah! Oh no, I missed the W. I'm so stressed.
Fuck!
Oh, S, no. Oh, I'm missing all the buttons. Ah, I'm on fire.
Destination reached. Please press the screen.
Oh, fuck.
Destination reached.
Q,
Destination reached.
Q,
Destination.
Q.
Please press the screen. Your reward is in the glove compartment. The key is inside the GPS.
I'm so stressed. I'm so stressed. This is not how I wanted my relaxing Sunday to go. Oh my god, am I gonna make him die? This is... I'm sure this game isn't meant to be like this stressful. Okay, I just need to breathe. That was too much. My heart's pounding. I can't. This is why I don't play this kind of game. No. Oh, here's that crazy one with the kung fu skills. Hiya! Where you want me to go, love? Where do you want me to go?
The reception. Let's hope they've got a room left.
Wait, where? Yeah, that way. That's the way I wanted you to go. But you didn't go that way. How do I live without... No, that's not what I meant. In there. There we go. There we go. Got it. We got it. We got it. You're right there, mate. Think you should have finished adjusting yourself before you came out the toilet.
Hello there, sweetheart.
Ugh,
What can I do for you?
not that.
I'd like a room.
Investigators trying to find the
For you?
Oh,
Anything.
God. His face is so slimy.
Room 201. Last floor, stairs on the right.
Last floor, stairs on the right. Blech.
The pleasure was all mine.
Ugh,
That's for sure.
God. What a vile creature. No, we want to go that way. And wait, where? Wait. Oh.
Room 201. Stairs on the right. Last floor.
Wait, was this the right? I don't know. Okay, the room numbers are getting bigger. Aha. Take the stairs, bitch. Oh, wait, what room?
Room 201.
Okay.
Stairs on the right. Last floor.
Why have I now got a split screen? That's why. Oh. No, don't you go down them stairs. Ah, okay, here we go. 207, 206, 205. Random man having a
Sir?
bit of a moment. Oh, it's us.
right?
It's us.
Please, just help me to my room. It's number 207.
Well, at least we can find that one. I've already found that one. It's 201 I can't find. You want me to help him? No, hang on. What's that? That's 203. You need to go this way. Just drag him. 205. 207. We did it. We did it. That's a Dora the Explorer song. Sad that I know that. I mean, she's very brave, isn't she? Because I certainly wouldn't be taking a strange man who's really badly hurt into a hotel room in a shady place.
I should disinfect his cuts.
Really? You don't even know this
He's in
dude?
trouble.
Okay, come on then. Only because we're nice people. I mean, what kind of hotel room is this? You need to pick the
I should
right thing.
disinfect his cuts.
Yeah, but I can't see what it is.
I'm gonna disinfect your wound.
That must be what it
This
is.
might hurt a little.
There we go.
There. At least it won't get infected.
Thanks.
Thanks, person that I don't know. Okay then, bye. Like, nope, won't let me leave. Okay, let's see if he wants painkillers or something, because he's half whinging. So that's not what we need. Let's go this. No, this one.
Paracetamol painkiller. Administer in cases of intense pain.
Maybe he should have some of that. No! Oh my god, will you listen to what I'm telling you to do?
All right, let me help you.
Yeah, let me help you into the shower. Because we know each other so well. They don't even know each other's names.
Madison.
Oh, you creep.
And what else do you do, Madison?
I'm a photographer. I take pictures of furniture for fashionable design magazines.
And strange men's bums when they're in the shower.
I'm an architect.
Are we being nosy? Okay, let's be nosy. Oh. Who's coming? La da dee da. Now who am I? Oh, I'm him now. God, it's so strange the way it like flicks between who I am and who I'm being and... Eeh. Are you prepared to suffer serious old power plant on M bar something? Like, why wouldn't you go to the police though? Is that just me? I just feel like I would do that.